In conclusion, we have walked through the practical aspect of putting together websites using Amazon S3. Right now, you're looking at a directory that we have been using throughout this course, and we have been using this for the logging of our activity. And you'll notice that there are lots of log files that we have been using over the course of this training. And if you recall, this is the logging that we did when we set up each and every one of our websites. So when you are setting up your server access logging, for example, if we go inside of here, you'll notice that there is a target bucket. One thing that you may want to think about doing is to create a specific bucket for logging in your Amazon S3. This will keep you from cluttering up some of your directories, especially when you're going to be using them for your website activity. Another thing to remember in closing is that when you're using Cloudberry Server, there are some other alternatives that you have at your disposal. For example, what you can do is to create an expiring URL as well as a link shortener that will mask the actual domain. And so this is one way of being able to keep people from easily guessing the location of your files. Finally, remember when using Route 53, you can either register your own domain name from Route 53, or you can actually use a domain name that you already have in existence. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.